Hello, thank you and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a free VPN you can use to access any website that you want to access, or maybe not any website, but there are some websites you will be able to use them to access. You need VPN when you want to access any website that is outside of your geolocation. For example, you are based outside of the US and you want to access a website that they use in the US, a website that is blocked from other people who are based on the outside of the US, which means that it is only people residing in the country who should be able to access the website. Or sometimes you want to hide the location where you are so that someone would assume that you are at a different location. Say you are based in a different country or browsing from a different country. So in this case, what I want us to do, I'm outside of the US, but I want to access some websites that are blocked for prevent that people from other countries are prevented from visiting, which means that only people who are living in the US will be able to access that website. So to do that, before we start, let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me go to a site called pandora.com. When you go on this website, because I'm outside of the US, it says basically you can see here what is stated here. So this is only people who are based in the US that should be able to access this website, but I want to access it anyway. So what do I do? So you what you can do, you go and download this very software. It's called Windscribe. When you download it, it has whether you are using a Linux or Windows or MacBook, you can download it and then choose the country that you want to access. This is doesn't support only the US. There will be list of countries. Here you can see US. Here you can see US. But when you download it, and install it, you are going to see other countries also. So once you download this, you are going to get something like this. This is the one I've already downloaded. So the website I'm trying to access is a US based website. So I chose US. As you can see here, it's showing Atlanta. So what I can do, and you can see it is off. So what I can do, let me turn it on. It's connecting. As you can see, it's on now. It's connected. Now let me go back to the website I wanted to access, and let me Pandora. Let me just type it again. I could have just refreshed it, but let me just type it. As you can see, I'm able to open the website. So you can use this with other websites. Like I said, if you want to access websites based in other countries, also not only the US, and it is blocked, you can use this software, choose that country and connect there. So that's all with this tutorial. So go on and tell me if this was helpful. Post your comment, and thank you, and subscribe to my channel, by the way. Thank you.